Stainless steel. Made with stainless steel, it is perfect for making beef jerky, fruit, dog treats, yogurt and much more. Designed in California. Comes with 6 stainless steel trays, 1 mesh screen, 1 fruit roll sheet, and 1 recipe. Replacing the freeze dryer, the food dehydrator can make more food at once in less time. Healthy dehydrated food. Dehydrated foods keep all their flavor and can be stored for longer. Search for C267-2 Mega Siemens or C267FR to get more accessories. Easy to use. Use the digital control panel to set the timer in 30-minute increments for up to 48 hours. Make average-sized batches of dried foods with accurate temperatures between 95–165 F. Refer to 50 recipes designed for beginners by COSORI Chefs Team. Quiet to use. Simply press the start button to dehydrate your food and go to sleep. The noise is less than 48 decibels, which equals noise levels recorded in the library. Safe to use. Tray liners are BPA-free. Auto shutoff kicks in right when the timer ends. Overheat protection will activate if the dehydrator overheats 0.120 volts, 600 W. Please note that this voltage only applies to USA and Canada. Easy to store clean. The 6 trays are dishwasher safe and tray liners can be washed on the top rack of your dishwasher if you remove them before the drying cycle. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. I bought a refurbished COSORI food dehydrator after viewing Rain Country's YouTube channel. I've used an old wearing round food dehydrator for many years, but the round design is an issue. I wanted something with a timer and heat control and this COSORI fits the bill. No more over-dried veggies. In the past when I dehydrated frozen veggies they turned into rocks and wouldn't rehydrate to an edible state no matter how long I soaked them. I like the control as it gives me a much better result. My only issue is that the mesh screen is way too small. It came with 1 mesh screen and 1 fruit tray. I can buy more mesh screens, but I won't bother to because it's so small. Instead, I am using window screening to make mesh overlays so that my veggies don't go through the larger holes in the tray. I've been buying mixed vegetables at Aldi and drying them for future use. They haven't been in stock for a while, so I am creating my own stock for future use. I use a bag a week, so I have a lot of bags to go. Next I want to dehydrate potatoes to add to winter soups and pot pies. I want to buy some silicone fruit trays so that I can dehydrate eggs if the price ever comes back down. Eventually I'll get to meats. COSORI, I have big plans for you.